So we're back, and listen, let me tell y'all how I was just sitting here thinking I was deaf and dumb, like, dude, what you say, how you say it, but this is Litty Gang X. I thought he was saying Litty Gang X. I was like, huh?
Litty Gang.
But anyway, though, so welcome. This is Consulting Time with your girl, M.O.A.M, and we're very, very happy to have you here. So tell us a little bit about yourself, and then we'll talk about what you got going on.
I'm just a hard worker. That's all. I just work hard and I just stay out the way. I don't get in no trouble. I'm just out the way though.
Indeed. So you're an artist. You dibble dabbled in promotion. So kind of you mess with entertainment, but you focus in on the music.
Yeah, focus.
So what type of music are we talking about when we hear you?
Litty music.
Okay.
Everything Litty.
So am I gonna want to go shoot me somebody? Am I gonna want to go get down? Like what I'm doing?
Just gonna be lit, like it's gonna be.
Okay, all right. So I really just want to turn up with my
homies.
Okay, because I mean you said lit. Where I come from, if I gotta get lit, it's going down. So I'm just saying.
It's gonna make you feel good if you having a bad day. We got vibes
Okay. Yeah. So we vibing.
Yeah.
Now, when did your musical journey start?
My musical journey started when I was in middle school.
Okay. You was doing the little thing on the table that I can't do for real?
Yeah, with the pencils and I wasn't doing it, but like a few of my homies, they played drums, so they was the they was cold with the
Okay.
Yeah, they was
all right. So basically, you're writing. Can you just get in the booth and go? So I put you on the spot right now.
I'm gonna have to hear a beat. I don't like acapella.
So
I like
definitely
beats.
need a beat. Okay, so that's cool. So you kind of flow to the beat. Because I know that some people write to the beat, you know what I'm saying, but you flow to the beat. That's cool. So tell us a little bit about any music you got out now that we need to be checking out.
Oh yeah, we got a project, Litty Ties on all platforms. And that's what we got right now. So it's a class. It's still, even though we dropped it like 2 years ago, it's still going crazy.
Indeed. All right, so check this out. He gonna have new music coming. Y'all need to check out what he already got.
Check it out.
Let everybody know how they can follow you on social media and run it up.
Follow us on Instagram and YouTube at Litty Gang 618, and you can find everything on all platforms. Litty Gang, Litty Time.
Litty Gang 618. That's what he's talking about.